How to send gift messages in Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can send gift messages on Instagram. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let's go through this video. In order to send gift messages in Instagram, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and open Instagram and head over to your chat section and open up the chat that you would like to send the gift message to. So let me just open up one. Now once you open it up, all you gotta do is you wanna head over to message and type in the message that you would like to send. So I'll just type in hi, hello you. Then once you type it in, you can see there will be the search icon beside the text here. You can see search, tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see there gift wrapped. Right, you want to tap on it, and now you can see the text has been sent as gift box, and if they tap on it, they'll be able to view the text. So this is how you can send gift messages on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.